for us.
Weather service in your thunderstorm warning. Blackford County, Southern Huntington County, Southwestern Wells County, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I've never seen a warning call.
Extending from near Kokomo to Newland Falls City to Tippett, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Hartford City, Gas City, Upland, Fairmount, Montpelier, Jonesboro, Sweetser, Swazee, LaFontaine, Van Buren, Matthews, Sims, Converse, Warren, Lancaster, Fowlerton, Shamrock Lakes, Mount Etna, and McNabbs. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 252 and 279. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford and Grant,